Wait lang guys. Nagsalang na akong talong.
Yo guys. Yo guys.
Hindi siya guys. Salong. Talong ang sudaan. Dayon magkuan kong itlog. Magbatil kong itlog.
I seen of the car. Seen like a car.
I know. Magbatil kong itlog. Mga siguro 2 or mga 3.
Yeah.
So yummy.
I'll try this thing.
Mga guys. Tulo ka itlog lang kung anuhin para ano siya kung magluto. Dahil yun, ikaw na ito siya.
Let's make this. I made it 2 meals. Remember you mixed and I did.
You're mixing. Mix siya guys. At first, ikaw na ito siya paminta. Paminta. Konti lang. Dahil yun, garlic powder. Ikaw na ito siya.
Owie.
Snowy, stop it.
Snowy, stop.
Snowy, down. Hulog kayo na. Si Snowy talaga eh. Tapos, onion powder. Parang lamig daw. Kamay na guys. Then mix. Wow, you're mixing. Thank you for helping me. Mix mo siya. Mix it more. Ikaw na ito siya gumay. Asin. Asin lang guys. Ang kalasa niya. Nakalang nagbahan ka ng. Gumay na kayo. Kanya na. Mix. Mix. Okay. Mix it together. The next is
Onions.
the onion. Next guys is mag-ano ka onion. Butang na ito siya onion kayo mas dami. That's enough na. I already put egg there. Paano ito siya onion? Isa lang. Ako ba? Mas dami ay ka ng may sibuyas ang kanang gani.
Onions. Then there's a baby in our guys.
Yes, we're cooking egg. It's torta. Tortang sawang. Luto pa.
A princess. Well, a princess.
Princess? Where's the princess? This is not princess. Iwa-iwa na natin siya guys.
Princess.
Lamig, gagmay, no? Ito siyang sawaon pag gagmay. Excuse me. Ay, naku, I'm not yet done. Can you please wait? I will tell you if I'm done, okay?
I put it there.
Yeah, you can put it there after Mama's cutting the onion. Wait a minute.
You give it to me.
Yes po. I will tell you if I'm done na. Bless you.
Why you give it to me?
Okay, please wait. Oh, now you can put it na. Put it in. Ngayon, udto na to guys para lamig yun ba? Wala may kamatis, mga sibuyas lang. Galing siya may kamatis pero okay, wala man. Sibuyas na lang. Okay, you can put it in all of the onion. Thank you for helping me. Not yet done. There's more here. Put it all because I love onion. Pagkatapos, ang kuan guys, ang tawagan ni. Ang talong. Ato siyang i-mix dire para lami. Wait lang. Guys, luto na ang kanang kuan. Talong. Ito na siyang himayon. Ulod.
I take some.
You will buy kikiam for you. Let's check muna if this is okay na.
It's okay.
Okay, wala. Pwede ko ito sa pikas.
It's okay. Okay.
Okay, there is no worm. Snowy! Diyan na punta sa pikas.
No, stop it. No, stop it.
Wala guys.
No.
Wala siya ulod. So, ato siyang dumukon kaya para mahalo siya sa itlog.
Oh, stop.
Snowy!
No, stop it.
Snowy!
I'm scared of Snowy.
Snowy's not there na. Ito siyang dumukon, nag-ayo. Abilo na nato yung panit niya ilamig ng hapon eh.
It's not cooked.
It's already cooked. I'm just gonna mix it. I'm just gonna cut it.
Mama,
You
you
mix
eat
it with the egg.
Eat it.
Yeah, of course. I will eat this. I'm gonna put it in the egg. Mix it with the egg. Then I'm gonna cook it. You know, this is mama's favorite. So, okay na siya, guys. Okay na. Ito na siyang ihalo dito sa itlog. Ngayon, lutuin na natin siya. Oh my God, yung Kenny.
Oh my gosh, it's scary.
It's delicious.
Scary. Oh, stop.
Snowy!
Stop it, Snoopy, stop it.
Ito siyang halunog maayo, guys. Ang itlog, ang talong.
Oh no. Oh, stop.
So, guys. Pag human, ani, ato niya siyang lutoon. So, guys, ato na siyang tanganog oil.
Oh no, okay. So we stop it. Stop. Stop. You stop the meat.
Oh, later after we eat breakfast. Okay. Naano na tong kalayo, guys. Hangtod sa maluto siya.
Mama,
Ano tong balihon.
I like
Yun na, guys. Nawaligtad na lang ako siya. Lato na lang nato maluto. Guys, luto na ang among kwartang tawang nga padari. Medyo sunog. What did you say? Hi guys, what? Hi guys! Maluto may kikiam for today's video.
I'm not with Kikiam.
You don't like kikiam? Are you serious? Going to kikiam na. Ito may kikiam guys. Merienda ni mananay. Kikiam. Merienda ni
No,
Nina.
no guys, Kikiam. No guys. No guys.
Hello guys.
No guys.
Magluto may kikiam gamay. Gamay lang kaayo para kayo na. Ano to? Gamayan na nato guys. Kasi yun na lang yung mukhaon. Mangayo pag ko gamay. Mga siya guys.
Hallelujah. Kuka na. Wiga.
Oh, lami.
No, it's not yummy.
Lami man ni guys.
No guys.
I'm going to eat too.
I'll take a chicken. Me too, Mom. Me too.
What's this?
Chick?
Is this a kikiam? Is that yummy?
No.
Oh no, is that?
No?
It's not yummy?
No.
Then don't eat it.
Don't eat it.
You wanna eat it?
Yes. It's almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Give me scoop. No.
Almost cooked. Oh my gosh! OMG!
Guys,
Guys, it's already
oh guys.
cook. Ato siyang ibutang diri. Luto na siya, guys. Butang na to siya diri sa ano. Kaya mawala ang oil.
Oil.
Yes. Mga 10 seconds. So guys, luto na siya, guys. Nara, guys. Oh, so yummy.
No, guys. No, see no, guys. No, see. No, guys. I see no, guys.
Yeah, you always say no, 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 no. Maunta, guys.
Go, guys. Go to get it, guys. Guys.
Mga unsa. This is my own taste it. Sausaw na ko diri sa suka o tuyo. Ay, suka O kaam. Lamig, ma'am.
Hot.
How about you try this one?
Hot this.